Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the micro USB charging port on a Motorola G5S Plus phone. So for this, we need a brush with flexible bristles about 2 centimeters long so that the bristles can reach all the way to the end of the port. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, so it will soften the dirt for us, and then so that it will simply evaporate and leave no trace behind. You can buy such a brush and diffuser as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can use a regular toothbrush. It won't be as convenient or clean as well, but it will still work. We start by making sure the phone is turned off. Never clean your phone while it's on. Thoroughly soak the brush with alcohol. If you don't have a diffuser, you can simply dip it. Just pour a little into a small container and dip it in, then take the phone sideways. And then carefully insert the brush all the way into the port, making sure it goes to the back, and firmly move it to the side against the inner wall. Do this about 10 times in one direction as you clean. Why only in one direction? So that we're not moving back and forth across the port, because then the dirt won't come out. But this way, after a few times in one direction, the dirt gets pushed to the end of the port and then it can be removed. After making 10 to 15 strokes in one direction, now we do the other side, also 10 to 15 strokes, to clean the other part of the port as well. Carefully and thoroughly insert it and move it to the side. To finish the whole process, we can also use this piece of plastic. But it has to be plastic. It can't be metal, because metal could cause a short circuit in the port and damage it. We have these printed on a 3D printer, but you can also buy them on Allegro. So you simply insert this piece of plastic into the port, and under the bottom of the port, slide it all the way in and try to pull it out. If there's any dirt at the end of the port, it will simply come out with it. Make sure to check in each and every direction, preferably at least twice. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. Then you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, likes and subscriptions, and see you in my next video.